Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. So বহুত অপেক্ষাৰ অন্তত তোমালোকৰ এক্সামটো হৈ গ'ল। সো তোমালোকে এক্সামটো তোমালোকে এনসাৰ কিটো দিবলৈ মোক কৈ আছা। সো মই অলৰেডি প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰিছোঁ এনসাৰ কেইখন। সো এইটো ভিডিঅ'ত তোমালোকে পাই যাবা গোটেই এনসাৰ কেইটো। সো তোমালোকে নিজৰ মাৰ্কবোৰ ক্যালকুলেট কৰি চোৱা কোনে কিমান পা। মোৰ লাগিছে পেপাৰটো অলপ টাফ আছিল, কিছুমান এক্সেপশ্যনেল বস্তু আহিছে। সো সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকৰ বহুতে নিজৰ এক্সপেক্টেশ্যন হিচাপত মাৰ্ক পাৱা নাই, তোমালোকৰ সন্দেহ হ'ব পাৰে। সো ইট ইজ ভেৰি নৰ্মেল। যদি পেপাৰটো টাফ আহিছে আগতকৈ তেতিয়াহ'লে তোমাৰ সবৰে কাট অফ কমিব। অ'কে, সো সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকৰ যদি ভাবি আছা যে তোমাৰ চিট পোৱাৰ চান্সেছটো একেবাৰে নাই বা কমিছে, তেনেকুৱা নহ'ব পাৰে, তুমি পাব পাৰা। সো যিয়ে নহওক ইয়াতে চিট নাপালেও সেইটো এনেকুৱা নহয় যে তোমাৰ অপৰচুনিটি লাইফৰ অপৰচুনিটি নোহোৱা হৈ গৈছে, তেনেকুৱা নহয়, বহুত অপৰচুনিটি থাকিব। ঠিক আছে, সো তোমালোকে এনসাৰ কেইটো ভালকৈ চেক কৰি লোৱা, নিজৰ নিজৰ মাৰ্কটো ক্যালকুলেট কৰি চোৱা কিমান হয়, কমেণ্টত জনাব চেষ্টা কৰিবা কিমান তুমি পাবা তেনেকুৱা আৰু। সো যিয়ে নহওক হোপটো লছ নকৰিবা, চেষ্টা কৰি গৈ থাকিব লাগিব। ঠিক আছে, সো এতিয়া আমি এনসাৰ কিটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিম। মই স্ক্ৰীনতহে তোমালোকক ইয়াৰে গোটেই হেৰিটো দেখাম। ঠিক আছে, সো লেট আছ গো টু মাই স্ক্ৰীন। সেট এ পাৰ্ট 1 মেথামেটিক্স। Let x is equal to p by q be a rational number with terminating decimal expansion, then prime factorization of q is, it is option B 2 power n 5 power n. Question number 2, it is option B not always irrational. Question number 3, it is option B irrational. Question number 4, it is option D x square plus 2x plus 3. Question number 5, it is option A 5. Question number 6, it is option D x square minus 5x plus 4. Question number 7, this is, it is option A 3. Question number 8, it is option B a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Question number 9, it is option B infinitely many solutions. Question number 10, it is option C x is equal to 2 y is equal to b. Question number 11, it is option B minus 2. Question number 12, right answer is not there, so it is a wrong question actually, correct option is not there. Question number 13, it is option C n into n plus 1 by root over. Question number 14, the sum of the series is, it is correct answer is 5050, but the option is not here, so it is option D, none of this. How many lines can be drawn through 2 points? It is option A 1. Question number 16, it is option C 9. Question number 17, it is option C 3:1. Question number 18, it is option C 7,3. Question number 19, if two lines intersect each other, it is option D equal. Question number 20, it is option D 120 degree. Question number 21, it is option C 70 degree. Question number 22, it is option D 135 degree. Question number 23, it is option B opposite angles are not equal. Question number 24, it is C 5 cm. Question number 25, it is option B 20 degree 40 degree 120 degree. Question number 26, it is ASA, option A. Question number 27, it is option C 25:121. Question number 28, cos A. Question number 29, it is 0, option A. Question number 30, if two sides of a triangle are 8 cm and 11 cm its perimeter. Okay, the correct answer is not there, so none of these, option D. Question number 31, it is option B AB plus CD is equal to BC plus AD. Question number 32, option B 2 cm. Question number 33, option C 36 meter. Question number 34, option D 136 pi. Question number 35, option C mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Question number 36, option C 29. Question number 37, option B 25. Number 38, option C 1/2. Question number 39, option B, minus 1.5. Question number 40, option A, 12 by 15. Now physics part. Question number 41, option A, area of cross section. Question number 42, option B, I r square. Question number 43, option A, parallel. Question number 44, I think the correct option is not there, so you find out and tell me what is the correct answer in the comment section. Question number 45, the magnetic field, it is option D, is same at all points. Question number 46, it is option D, AC generator has slip rings while DC generator has a commutator. Question number 47, option A, stationary magnet. Question number 48, option C, 90 degree. Question number 49, option C, watt. Question number 50, option C, prevents damage due to overloading. Question number 51, option D, into the page. Question number 52, option D, 4:1. Question number 53, option D, 3 meter. Question number 54, option B, 110 watt. Question number 55, option D, producing induced current in a coil due to relative motion between a magnet and coil. Question number 56, option C, silicon. Question number 57, option A, methane. Question number 58, option B, ciliary muscles. Question number 59, option B, 0. Question number 60, option C, 3 meter per second. Question number 61, option D, scattering of light. Question number 62, option D, infinite. Question number 63, option B, greater than critical angle. Question number 64, option D, real and inverted. Question number 65, option B, refraction. Question number 66, option A. Question number 67, option D, between pole of the mirror and focal. Question number 68, option C, convex mirror. Question number 69, convex lens, option A. Question number 70, it is option D, 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Question number 71, option C, 13. Question number 72, option A, lactic acid. Question number 73, option B, 4 and 2. 74, option B, Na2ZnO2. 75, option C, 0 to 14. 76, option A, olfactory indicators. 77, option C, CO2H. 78, option B, acidic. 79, option B, 11, 12, 11. 80, option B, 60. 81, option A, ACl. 82, option B, NH4Cl. 83, option C, alkyne. 84, colorless and odorless gas is evolved with bubbles. 85, option D, vinegar. 86, option A, boron. 87, option B, sugar breaks down into particles and occupies the empty space between water and particles. 88, I think the correct option is not there, still the option C may be the correct. Okay. 89, it is option C, formation of copper oxide. 90, it is option A, 2.011 into 10 power 23. 91, it is option D, mercury. 92, option D, CH3COOH. 93, option B, Carnot. 94, option A, C60. 95, option A, all molecular motion ceases. 96, option C, zinc is more reactive than tin. 97, option B, it is an example of addition reaction. 98, option C, CHOOH COOH CONH2. 99 option C tin and lead. 100 option A electron. Okay, so with this we have completed the answer K. So now you calculate your marks and let me know how much will be your score in the comment section. Okay, so I will try to upload the complete solution, detailed solution very soon. Till then, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.